What is going on, guys? So today we're going to be basically talking about how to trade cryptocurrency. So I just finished the poll on my Instagram and apparently you guys wanted to know this. So I'll be going down and I will be actually showing you exactly how I trade, or I would be day trading or swing trading Solano. First things first, I feel very comfortable doing this in a price range right around this range, to be honest. I'm not a huge fan with going into cryptocurrencies really like above a couple of $100 for day trading purposes. Same thing for stocks. I kind of keep it around the same price range, preferably right around that $50 to $100 mark is kind of my perfect territory. So first thing, you can literally go to CoinMarketCap, pick out your price category, finding one you're comfortable with. Then I always go to TradingView, right, because it's simple, it's right there, and I can basically have the indicators right there. So obviously next thing, right, I'm going to type in the indicators, right. Then we got the EMA, right, we can do double or triple. I'm going to go with the triple. Then we have SMA, right. Then we got the VWAP. And there we go. And then you can also do volume and all of that stuff, right? So everything kind of that you need indication wise is right here. So super nice, super simple to have, right? Then, I mean, since we're day trading it, do we really need, in a sense, there we go, there's a volume attached with it. Do we really need that day? No, we really don't. We can go down to that 1 minute chart, right? Here we can see, right, basically everything that we need to see. So from that point on, we can also downgrade it from 1 minute to 3 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on how far you want to look, day trading, swing trading, anything like that. First thing that I noticed right here is a very good pattern. So I obviously take my line, right? You guys can see it crosses from this side to right here. So what this means is we have a support right here, which it is actually bouncing against. Now, one thing that I want to mention is never base a trade just off of the indicators, right? Indicators are a good tool to use, however, they're not the sole thing that you should be relying on. Because guess what, right? Right now, if it breaks below this line that I just drew, basically its next support is right down here in the middle VWAP. Now, from that point on, I would basically wait for a double candlestick confirmation, because at that point I can then very easily write it back up, basically to, right here. However, here's the thing, this support will then become its next resistance. So from there to there, right, if I just want to see from here to here, right, that's basically a 79.60 only. That is a 50-cent return, which is not really a lot, so I would not really want to take that trade. However, you can obviously if you want to. Now, from 79.60 all the way up to 80.60, basically, that's a trade I would be willing to take. So if you do want to take this trade, here's exactly how I would do it, right? I would wait for that double candlestick confirmation, which would probably end being right around here at 79.73. Then I can hold this all the way here, right? Gain about 30 cents, right? 30 cents, let's say you have 1,000 or 100 of these, right? You have $8,000 invested in Solano. You have 100 of these, right? 30 cents times 100. You guys know that's 30 bucks basically, right? So we're up 30 bucks. At that point, I would wait, right? I would wait because if it does end up breaking below this, I will then basically take my profit right here. So I still make my 30 cents. However, if it does break above this, then I can make a lot more, right? So for example, I would start selling, I would sell a portion of my position size right around 30% right here at that 30-cent margin, around 30 to 40%. And at that point, I would then basically kind of wait to see if it basically goes above this resistance then, or if it kind of breaks back below it. Here's the thing, if it breaks above, I still have a 60 to 70% position size, and then that is another basically, so I'm already up 30 cents. That would then be another right around 50 to 60 cents per 100 shares, so another $50 to $60, which then basically means I could make from $80 to $90 just within a couple of minutes of trading right there, right? Again, it depends on the movement of the crypto. That's why I also chose Solano. Pretty good volume here. But yeah, right, you guys can see the spike right from the bottom, basically 78.51 all the way up to 79.34. So almost $1 movement, right? It kind of shot back down, right? Double candlestick confirmation. This is where I would have gotten in at 79.16. And then I would have rode it all the way up, basically, to right around here, and probably locked in profits right here at that 80.66. So rode it up from 79.18 all the way to right around here at 80.50, 79.18 to 80.50. So that is a solid $1.50 profit times 100 shares, $150 profit right then and there. So I really love VWAPs. It's one of my favorite indicators to possibly use. Again, it's super easy to understand as well. And right, you guys can kind of see how I got this support line right here, right? If we want to extend this out, we can super easily just extend it all the way out to here. So as you guys can see, that's kind of how I do it. But again, really look into it, right? And then you can also zoom out, right? We can go to that 1 hour chart to kind of see, right, what movement it's currently heading in. Right now, it is currently making lower highs, right? You guys can see here, it's basically gone from that 85 range, right? Then it went down to the 83, lower highs. Then it went down to the 82, lower highs, right? And again, it's currently, again, making lower highs, trying to regain. So right now, momentum is not in your favor. However, just be aware of that, because it did have a peak right there, as you guys can see. Just lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. It had a nice higher high, and then went straight back to lower highs. So just be aware of that. This would be a super quick in and out, especially with current market conditions. But again, that is how I would be day trading it kind of right now. Solana is one of my long-term positions, so I'm not really too worried. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Free Discord link is down below if you guys want to join that. Completely free, no BS. And other than that, I will see you guys tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.